Yes, be ready. Start. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman on Monday began consultations for the 2023-24 Union Budget with industry captains seeking measures to revive domestic demand and create jobs to counter headwinds from slowing global growth. Full stop. Next stanza. Apart from a reduction in the income tax burden for households, industry captains urged the government to bring petroleum products, ATF, and electricity into the GST regime, cut import duties, and expand the scope of tax rebates granted to exporters. Full stop. Next stanza. At this crucial juncture of geopolitical uncertainties, high inflation, and slowing world economic growth, calibrated steps to enhance domestic sources of growth would be crucial to maintain a steady economic growth trajectory. PhD Chamber of Commerce and Industry President Saket Dalmia told top finance ministry officials. Full stop. The Confederation of Indian Industry within bracket CII suggested significantly lowering income tax slab rates for individuals earning up to rupees 20 lakh, urging that the brunt of inflation falls on taxpayers in the lower and middle income group. Full stop. Next stanza. While the cost of living has increased, there is no respite in the income tax liability, which has remained constant, squeezing these taxpayers from both ends. CII noted and flagged and widened differential between personal and corporative tax rates. Full stop. Next stanza. The highest marginal rate for individuals has now gone up 42.7% against the normal corporate tax rate of 25.2%. Full stop. The whose gap in the tax rates is leading to several structuring decisions being adopted in the favor of corporate model bracket start. For example, proprietorship business moving to company format bracket close. CII pointed out. Full stop. Monday's meetings focused on issue of industry and infrastructure. Full stop. Acknowledging that poor families still need food security spot in the middle of a recovering economy, the center has decided to extend its free ration scheme Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Ann Yojana within bracket PMGKAY for another 4 months until March 2022. Full stop. Next stanza. As its meeting on Wednesday, the Union Cabinet also gave its formal approval to repeal the 3 contentious farm reform laws in the upcoming winter session of Parliament as announced by Prime Minister Narendra Modi last week. Full stop. On 19th, PM announced, and today within 5 days we have fulfilled all the formalities. Full stop. In the upcoming winter session, the priority would be to take these bills and repeal them at the earliest. Information and Broadcasting Minister Anurag Thakur told press persons in briefing on cabinet decisions. Full stop. Next stanza. However, he evaded questions on the farmers' continued demand for a legal guarantee on minimum spot prices for their crops and declined to set any timeline on the PM's promise to set up a committee to make the MSP more effective and transparent, as well as to change crop pattern and promote zero budget agriculture. Full stop. Next stanza. In its other major decision, the cabinet approved the extension of the PMGKAY, which provides more than 80 crore ration card holders with 5 kg of rice and wheat per month free of cost, in addition to the 5 kg which they or are already eligible for on subsidized basics under the National Food Security Act, full stop, initially introduced in the first COVID-19 relief package from April 2020. The scheme has been extended thrice but was launched to end in November, full stop. Next stanza. Earlier this month, Food Security had told press persons that there was no proposal for extension as the economic was reviving, full stop. In the last more than 20 months, we have seen that the poor, even the middle class families have suffered not here but globally as well, full stop. One of the reasons to help the poor families was to give them food grains, Mr. Thakur said, full stop. We still feel as the economy is getting back on track, the figures are looking much better, full stop. At the same time, Prime Minister wants to help those poor families who have gone through this COVID-19 pandemic so that for the next 4 months they should be helped and food grains should be given to them, the minister added, full stop. In the run-up to the Uttar Pradesh Assembly election, the state government had announced a unilateral extension of PMGKAY until March 2022, full stop.